Hey guys, Wolf Wangler. I was just changing the little jet that I installed in the transition circuit on my carburetor, and I was thinking that I'd do a short little video about Time-Serts. Time-Serts are these little inserts here. If you've got a Holley carburetor and you've over-tightened the float bolt screws on it and threaded those out, then this is what you want to know about. You can use helicoils and other different devices to put new threads in there, but they're not nearly as good as this stuff here, Time-Sert. And what it is, it's a little kit that has a drill, and then it has a counterbore tool, and then it has a tap that you tap the hole with, and then it has a driver that you thread these little inserts onto and thread that in and Loctite those into the carburetor, into the main body of the carburetor, and that solves that stripped out thread problem. And what you want to get is this here 1224 is their number 0124. Well, I thought I'd look at the instructions and give you the address or phone number of the Time-Sert Corporation, but there's no address or phone number on their piece. Major marketing flaw. Anyway, you can look them up online. They make all sorts of these different little inserts for different thread applications that are. Here's one in stainless. They make them in stainless. They make them in ferrous. They make them in all different sizes for all different applications. Engine blocks, cylinder heads, spark plugs, things that need serious clamping power repaired. Time-Sert.